Tony, I could sure use a lot of everything more
Yeah.
in my monitor.
I want everything except him. That would
A lot
be all
more me,
me.
a lot less.
I got something for you, old Rusty.
Oh, I'm gonna cut your head off.
I don't know if that did anything.
Can't you see? There's a black rain coming down. Oh. Misery. I'm getting a better feel out here without the phones.
Yeah,
Tony,
yeah.
so-
You might get. You don't need the
it's
phones
natural,
because you're not.
man. It's
Yeah.
natural, Vernon. What are you trying to go digital over here? You're talking about how natural it
man.
is. You're over here going digital.
Can't you see? Look, we'll be done. Can't you see? We're gonna be soft and controlled. Can't you see? There's a black rain coming down. Misery and sorrow. Okay, well, are we rolling now?
Yeah, just say take one.
Okay, take one, black rain. It's got a painfully long intro. Here we go. 2, 3. Can't you see? Oh, all right, here we go. 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2. Can you see? There's a black rain coming down. Misery and sorrow all around. Sadness and shadows dripping off the roof of my house. Somebody killed the preacher. Better find some place to pray.